Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see the continuation of exercise 5.1, the 10th question. So here is the 10th question. Can two angles be a supplementary if both of them are acute, obtuse or a right angle? So what do you mean by supplementary angle? Supplementary angle means sum of the two angles will be equals to how much? 180 degree, isn't it? So look the solution. Can two acute angle be equals to supplementary angle? So the answer will be not possible. Why it is not possible? Because what is acute angle? Acute angle is more than 0 but less than 90 degrees, isn't it? So considering the two acute angle, okay, that is first acute angle is 60, second acute angle is 80 degree. Adding both the acute angle, how much answer we will get? We will get as 140 degree. Whether 140 degree is a supplementary angle? No, it is not a supplementary angle. Hence we can say that adding the two acute angles, it is not equals to a supplementary angle. That's why the answer will be not possible. In the same way, what do you mean by obtuse angle? Obtuse angle means more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, isn't it? So taking the two obtuse angle with our own wish, that is 120 degree and 130 degree. Adding both the obtuse angle, what the result we will get? The result is equals to 250 degree, which is greater than 180 degree, isn't it? Hence, adding the two obtuse angle, the supplementary angle will not form. Hence, the solution will be not possible. In the same way, what do you mean by a right angle? Right angle means exact measure is 90 degree. Taking the two right angles and adding it, what we will get? We will get as 180 degree, where 180 degree is a supplementary angle. Hence, we can say that the two right angles forms a supplementary angle. But the two obtuse angle and two acute angle will not form a supplementary angle, isn't it? Now, in question number 11, it is said that in the adjoining figure, first angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. Is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? Third, do angle COE and angle DOE forms a linear pair? Are angle BOD and angle DOA supplementary? Is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? And the last part of the question, what is vertically opposite angle of angle 5? So here is the figure, isn't it? The labeling is given as AOC is equals to angle 1, COE is equals to angle 2, EOB is equals to angle 3, BOD is equals to angle 4 and DOA is equals to angle 5. So look the solution one by one. So first part of the question, it is asked that whether angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. So the answer is yes. Why it is yes? Because what do you mean by adjacent angle? Adjacent angle means an angle which is having a common vertex, common arm and non-common arms are present on the opposite side of the common arm. That is an adjacent angle. So look here, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent. Why it is so? Because both the angle is having common vertex, common arm and non-common arm is present on the opposite side of the common arm. That's why the answer is yes. Now second part of the question, it is said that is angle AOC is adjacent to angle AOE, isn't it? So answer will be no. Why it is no? Because angle AOC is not adjacent to angle AOE, isn't it? They do both having the common vertex, but they do not have a common arm, as well as the non-common pairs of the angles are not present on the opposite sides of the common pair, isn't it? That's why the answer is no. In the same way, the third part of the question, it is asked that is angle COE and angle EOD forms a linear pair. So which is angle COE and EOD? So angle COE and angle EOD, isn't it? These two angles. Angle COE, that is angle 2, and angle EOD, that is angle 3 and 4 both. So whether it forms a linear pair? So yes, it forms a linear pair, isn't it? Because angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 forms a 180 degree on a straight line BC. That's why the answer will be yes, isn't it? Now the fourth part of the question is said that is angle BOD and angle DOA is a supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means sum of the two angles is equals to 180 degree, isn't it? So the answer will be yes. Why it is yes? Because angle BOD and angle DOA, that means angle 4 plus angle 5 forms 180 degree, that is a supplementary angle. The fifth part of the question, is angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 4? The answer is yes. Why it is so? Because AOC is vertically opposite to angle BOD. That's why angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 4, isn't it? Now, the last part of the question, it is said that what is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5? So, angle COB is the vertically opposite angle to angle 5. Okay, understood? Now look the 12th question. 12th question is a fill in the blanks. First fill up. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is how much? Complementary means adding the two angles will be equals to 90 degrees, isn't it? So two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is 90 degrees. So the answer will be 90 degree. In the same way, the second fill up is, if two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Supplementary angle means adding sum of the two angles will be equals to 180 degree, isn't it? So here the answer will be 180 degree. Third fill up, two angles forming a linear pair are supplementary. That means linear pair means adding the two angles on a straight line forms a how much angle? 180 degree. And what is 180 degree? That is a supplementary angle, isn't it? So the answer will be supplementary angle. In the same way, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, they forms a linear pair. If two angles are adjacent, supplementary angles are adjacent to each other, they forms a linear pair. Thank you.